Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your TikTok Creator Fund problem. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you need to ensure to do is have the Creator Reward Program, and in order to do so, you have to be 18 plus, have 10,000 plus followers, and 100,000 plus views in the past 30 days. If eligible, then you can simply go ahead and fix the problem by simply opening your TikTok application, clicking on your profile, clicking on the top right triple lines icon right over here, clicking on settings and privacy, and scrolling all the way down to free up space and clicking on clear cache. That should go ahead and fix your problem. If that still doesn't, then try to check if there are any updates. So simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and search for TikTok just like that. And then simply click on the application and it should go ahead and show you if there is any update by showing a little blue update button where the open button is. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.